everyone. This presentation is by Group 1 by ITP, and our topic for today is properties of well-written text. Why organize paragraphs? Organization makes your writing clear and logical. A well-organized paragraph helps readers follow your ideas. It creates a strong foundation for effective communication. Paragraphs are the building blocks of effective writing. Organized paragraphs help the readers to understand your ideas clearly. It ensures your message is logical, consistent, and engaging. There are three major parts in organizing a paragraph: introduction, body, and conclusion.
First, introduction. An effective introduction serves as the gateway to your essay, engaging readers and setting the stage for the content that follows. By incorporating this element, the introduction effectively prepares readers for the discussion ahead.
Second part, the body is the longest part of a composition because it includes supporting details of the main topic. This sentence provides specific details, fact, example, or exclusion to support, explain, or prove the main idea. It may also include explanation to interpret the supporting details to show how it led to the main point of the paragraph. The body of the paragraph. The body of the paragraph may be organized through any of the orders below: chronological order, spatial order, deductive order, deductive order, chronological order. Chronological order. This means that the event in the story happened in order from the beginning to end. Writing in chronological order helps the readers follow what is happening in the story. For example, if a student wants to prepare for an exam, she will first go to class, then study, and finally take the exam.
Second, spatial order. A way of describing a person, place, or things by focusing on location or movement. Details are arranged based on where things are or how they move from one spot to another. It's often used to describe scenes and can also be helpful in giving examples, making comparisons, or organizing ideas into groups. Spatial order is a way of describing something based on its location or how things are arranged in a space. You focus on where each part is or how it moves from one place to another. It's often used to describe place, people, or objects, and they also work well for giving examples or making comparisons. For example, imagine you're describing your classroom. As you enter the room, the teacher's desk is at the front, near the whiteboard. To the left, rows of student desks are neatly arranged. On the right, there's a shelf full of books and supplies. At the back, a large window lets in sunlight, and next to it is a bulletin board with colorful posters. This description moves from the entrance to different parts of the classroom, following spatial order. Third, deductive order. A way of organizing a paragraph by starting with a general idea and then adding more specific details. It begins with a broad statement about the topic and is followed by facts, examples, and other supporting information. Deductive order organizes detail by starting with a general idea or main point and then providing a specific details, facts, and examples to support it. It moves from the big picture to the smaller details, making the topic clear and well supported. Here's an example for deductive order. Example, general statement. Exercise is essential for maintaining good health. Supporting details. It helps improve health by strengthening the cardiovascular system. regular exercises are boost energy level and improves mood. Additionally, it helps manage weight and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. This starts with a general idea about exercise and then provides specific facts to support it. The fourth one, inductive order. A way of organizing a paragraph by starting with specific details and building up to a general idea. It begins with examples of or facts, and then it ends with the main point or conclusion. Inductive order organizes details by stating with specific facts, examples, or evidence, and then leading to a general conclusion or main idea. It builds up the main point after presenting the supporting details. Here is an example of inductive order. Example, specific details. Lack of sleep can cause trouble focusing on tasks. It also weakens the immune system, making you more likely to get sick. Over time, it can even lead to serious health issues like heart disease. General conclusion. This shows that getting enough sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. The paragraph starts with specific details and ends with a general conclusion. So lastly, pragmatic order. A way of organizing a paragraph by arranging details based on importance. It starts with the least important and builds up to the most important point.
Number 3, conclusion. This is the part where the paragraph ends with a summary and where it gives you the room to demonstrate the significance of your ideas.
Coherence refers to the quality of text being clear, logically, and easy to understand. When a text is coherent, all the ideas are connected and flow smoothly, making it easier for the readers to follow the writer's thought. In a coherent text, ideas are arranged in a logical sequence, such as chronological order, cause and effect, sentence and paragraph related closely to the main idea. Transitional words and phrases, for example, therefore, however, next are used to connect ideas. Example of coherent text. Coherent text. Maria prepared for her trip. First, she packed her clothes into a suitcase. Then she checked her tickets and travel documents. Finally, she called a taxi to take her to the airport. In coherent text, Maria prepared for her trip. She checked her tickets and travel documents. Finally, she packed her clothes into a suitcase. A taxi was called to take her to the airport. She called the taxi to take her to the airport. In the first version, the sequence of actions make logical sense, while the second version, the idea feels scattered and harder to follow.
Cohesion. A very important aspect of academic writing which affects the tone of writing. Cursive writing does not mean just grammatically correct. Sentences cursive writing refers to connection of your ideas both at the level and the paragraph itself.
So in cohesion, we have cohesive devices. Cohesive devices are words or phrases used to connect ideas in a text, making it flow smoothly. They help link sentences and paragraphs, showing relationships like cause and effect, contrast, or sequence. There are 4 components of cohesive devices. First, repetition. Second, synonyms. Third, pronouns. And lastly, transitions. So first is repetition. Repetition is used to keep the focus on the main idea by repeating an important word or phrase. This helps both the writer and reader stay centered on the main point. We have here an example of repetition. Hard work leads to success. Hard Hard work helps you overcome challenges. Hard work builds discipline and determination. Hard work is the key to achieving your goal. In this example, the phrase hard work is repeated to emphasize its importance.
Synonym. A synonym is a word that has the same meaning as another word, or nearly the same meaning. For example, large, dako, and big. So, large and big is a synonym. The synonym of large is big. So third is pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns to avoid repeating them. Examples are he, she, it, they, and you. They make sentences shorter and clearer. So, for example, we say James is good at soccer. So, the noun is James. Then, we can replace it to he. So, the pronouns is he. So, we can say that he is good at soccer. Lastly, on the cohesive device, we have transition. It is used to a transition word or phrase that links the sentence of a paragraph together. It helps guide readers as ideas move from one sentence to the next, showing the relationship between them. Example, therefore, again, also, besides, accordingly, afterwards, as long as, indeed. For example, for this reason, in addition, and etc.
And that's all for our group discussion.